Okay, guys, we're back. We just put the beans in
don't get
the microwave.
On the a bit messy here. Like, don't get dirt on it. Stain.
Oh, okay.
When I'm cooking.
Wait, what degrees is it? What degrees is it set on?
What's the what?
What degrees is it set on?
What degrees?
Degrees. What degrees is it set on for the video?
Oh, what ingredients in it? Put it on the dog meat.
Right. What degrees?
Oh, what degrees?
Yeah, what degrees?
Oh, I think 125 centigrade.
Alright, 125. There it is. Baked beans. This is how you cook baked beans. So what are we doing now? We just gotta wait for baked beans. Really? Oh, they've already ended. End. Thanks for playing. Alright, so what is that? That's a calendar. There's our food. That's the people that ordered the food. Hurry up, we're hungry. Hey, come on, just wait. You have patience. But we're really hungry. Just shut up, God. Jeez. You keep saying they're hungry, huh? Yep. Don't worry, I'll go take care of it. Can you guys be quiet? Whoa, we need food. You can wait. You can freaking wait. Shut up. But shut up. But shut up too. Stupid. Hey, got him shut up? Yeah, got him shut up. Good. I'm also finding some sausages.
I am the fork of death because I'm going to fork you up the impa.
What?
Did it come up? Did that come up?
It's still filming.
It's a minute.
Look, I can do headstands. What are you doing in my face?
I'm getting drained up. Oh, the fart is in my face.
She farted. She farted. That's disgusting. Sorry. How many baked beans have you had? I haven't had any yet. What do you mean haven't had any yet? Jen took out the oven. It's a microwave. I don't care what it is. Alright, guys. So that is your baked beans. Okay? Just cut the camera out.